Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started right now. Body of UNH student found in marshy area off Durham Road. Autopsy scheduled. The body of a missing University of New Hampshire student was found Sunday, Durham police said. Vincenzo Vinny Lorenzi, 22, was found by a New England search and rescue canine team in a marshy area off Cove Drive in Durham around 1:20 p.m. New Hampshire medical examiner will conduct an autopsy and determine a cause of manner of death. Lorenzo's family has been notified. Though this is not the outcome we all had hoped for, we are grateful that we were able to find Vincenzo and bring some closure to his family, said Durham Police Chief. He was last seen between 1 a.m. and 1:30 a.m. Saturday. He was reported missing at 3 a.m. Saturday. Durham police said he was drinking with friends before going missing. Jordan Blanchard, Lorenzo's friend and former roommate, was with him for part of the night. They separated when Lorenzo left the bar they were at for a fraternity party, where he allegedly got into a fight. It's pretty uncharacteristic of him, Blanchard said. This is his first fight ever. Blanchard said after the fight broke up, they kicked him out and told him to go home. That's when he went into the woods. Partygoers told Blanchard that Lorenzo was last seen heading down a wooded path that students frequently use as a shortcut around campus. We started to think how he would think, and he started walking through the woods on different trails, Blanchard said. We walked all the way to Jackson's Landing to see if he was over there, and we couldn't find anything. Durham police responded using a canine and thermal drone to search the wooded area. State police and Fish and Game were called in later Saturday morning using a helicopter to search for Lorenzo. The search continued Sunday until investigators found Lorenzo's body. Durham police led investigations along with state police, Fish and Game, and UNH police, Stratford County Sheriff, New Hampshire State Liquor Enforcement, and New England Canine Search and Rescue. Anyone with information is advised to call 911 or contact Durham Police at 603-868-2324. And that does it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your evening. Good night and goodbye.